Where to start? The easiest spots to tattoo on a human body. Finding your footing in tattooing. So, you're ready to start tattooing. Awesome choice. But where should you begin? Hint, it's not ribs or hands. For beginner tattoo artists, smart tattoo placement is key to building confidence, control, and clean lines. The easiest areas to tattoo. 1. Outer thigh. The outer thigh is a dream for new tattoo artists, and for good reason. Large and flat, plenty of space to place stencils, test designs, and make errors without much trouble. Comfortable for your client. Less pain means more patience and longer practice sessions. Ideal for technique development. It's a low-pressure canvas for improving your skills. 2. Upper arm, shoulder, and bicep. This zone is versatile and forgiving, perfect for building consistency. Firm, consistent texture. Stable, muscular area that's easy to stretch. Moderate curvature equals skill growth. Offers some challenge for practicing curved surfaces. Client favorite placement. In-demand location that prepares you for real-world work. 3. Forearm. It might just be the easiest body part to tattoo if you're a visual learner. Easy to see while tattooing. Great visibility means better control and posture. Stable positioning. Forearms rest naturally, keeping the client still. Real-world relevance. A popular area that's perfect for portfolio building. 4. Calves. The calves don't get talked about enough when it comes to beginner tattoo spots, but they absolutely should. Plenty of space to play. A decently sized area for experimenting with medium-sized designs. Great positioning options. Clients can sit or lay down. Both are easy to work with. Easier skin texture. Firm, even skin that's easier for beginners to handle. Areas to avoid as a beginner. Ribs, extremely painful and tricky to stretch. Hands, feet, fingers, uneven texture, high fade risk. Neck and face, high visibility, high stakes areas. Elbows and knees, tough, stretchy skin and constant movement. Beginner tattoo artist tips. Follow all safety and hygiene protocols. Gloves, barriers, machine sterilization, clean workstations, and skin prep are non-negotiable. Start small. Stick to single needle line work and simple designs before entering into color, realism, or detailed shading. Respect your canvas. When you have a volunteer, always ask for their consent. No surprises, no pressure, full respect. Try other mediums. Synthetic skin, pigskin, and fruits are solid alternatives for developing hand control and understanding how skin reacts to the needle. Track your progress. Document each tattoo to see your growth. Celebrate small wins. First clean line, first satisfied client. That's huge. You should be proud of yourself. Be patient. Skill takes time, but your consistency will pay off. If you are serious about becoming a tattoo artist, email or call us today.